Welcome to an exploration of one of the most talked about topics in global affairs, America's global influence. The United States impacts nearly every corner of the planet, shaping political, economic, and cultural trends. As a superpower, America holds a unique position, influencing international norms, trade, and even popular culture on an unmatched scale. We'll break down this influence into four critical pillars: economic, cultural, military, and diplomatic. First, let's examine the formidable economic influence the U.S. wields across the globe. The U.S. dollar serves as the world's primary reserve currency, stabilizing global trade and giving the U.S. significant financial leverage. American multinational corporations drive global innovation and trade, setting standards and connecting markets internationally. Global financial markets, notably Wall Street, react instantly to U.S. economic policy, affecting capital flows and investment worldwide. Next, we turn to America's soft power, its immense cultural influence. From Hollywood blockbusters to popular music, American media dominates global entertainment and shapes popular trends. Silicon Valley giants dictate global standards in technology, communication, and social media, connecting billions and influencing public discourse. American ideals like democracy, individual rights, and free market capitalism are often promoted internationally, influencing political movements and governance models. America's military might is a cornerstone of its global influence, providing security and projecting power. The U.S. maintains a vast network of military bases and alliances, such as NATO, ensuring regional stability and deterring aggression worldwide. Through intervention and peacekeeping efforts, the U.S. plays a crucial role in managing international conflicts and ensuring global security. Finally, American diplomacy shapes global policy and cooperation. As a leading member of organizations like the UN and World Bank, the U.S. heavily influences international laws, economic aid, and development goals. U.S. foreign policy decisions on issues like climate change, human rights, and global conflicts often dictate the direction of worldwide actions and agreements. America's influence is multifaceted, touching everything from the economy and technology to culture and security. This enduring global impact ensures that America remains a central figure in shaping the current and future world order. However, this influence is complex, bringing both benefits and challenges to the global community, sparking ongoing international dialogue.